Yo, what is going on, people? Welcome to my first ever Discord trolling video. So I want you guys to put your ideas, maybe thoughts, and what you actually think about this video in the comments. So I get messaged by a guy saying come on this Discord basically to troll, and it's actually supposed to be a dating Discord server. So I go on it, and there's a lot of different kind of people. You know, just people might want to troll, maybe just people on there, there's loads of white knights, there's loads of this, there's loads of that. So basically I just generally go on there to troll. Some bits were very funny, some bits were obviously like racist, which some were funny, some wasn't obviously. It's just a kind of a mix of different personalities all clashed together. There'll be Earape, so obviously I'm not going to upload the full thing, because then that would take the mic because of how long it is. I personally found it very funny. It's somewhat better, different and better to gaming for a break. You know, obviously you need somewhat of a break, so I hope you enjoy. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
Oh my god, there's so many people in here.
How you doing, Ro?
Do you know what? This is my friend. He's a role player. It's very good.
My name's Matthew Longtime.
Now listen to me. I'm looking for good people that like Asian people.
I'm looking for good people.
I'm looking for good people to make a love with me. You know?
I'm looking for good people to suck my cock.
Mr. Edgy Elmo, you're a good man.
Mr. Edgy Elmo, I Asian. I suck your dick for $5. Me love you long time.
Thank you.
I think
Love you long time. Sucky, something like that.
Sucky wucky for $5.
Hey, Edgy Elmo, do you like
$5.
Edgy?
Hey, you come
Edgy
to my
Elmo.
massage parlor. I charge you $40 per hour, then you tip me $20, and I give you blowjob.
Reggie,
Oh, it's very good. That's very good. It sounds interesting. I come to you.
I take you to a massage parlor. Asian ladies suck your cock.
Reggie.
That's really loud.
That's
What
fucking
potato?
awesome. You gotta rip it longer.
Potato, what are you saying?
Shut up, can't think.
Me? I need to shut up.
Sounds like an aggressive
you.
people.
Mr. Edgy Elmo, I want
What?
you to meet my friend.
Jesus Christ, that was loud. Hello? Can you hear me any better than
Yeah, I can
before?
hear
We
you.
can hear you, Potato. We can hear you. Oh shit! There's lots of people
I'm
here.
going to kill someone. I
Kill
swear.
yourself.
Please poke me with
Potato,
your pussy, daddy.
wanna have a good time with me?
What?
I take care of you. I take you to dinner.
No.
Why not? You're stupid.
Are you stupid?
No, that's
Don't bully
gay.
him. He's Chinese. Leave him alone.
You're fine with me. I take care of
Thank you for
I
the,
would like
thank
a
you for
cock
the offer, but that is
sandwich.
gay.
Wow.
Say Ling Long?
I say you are stupid if you're near me, you know?
You're muted.
Who was it that was that mic? Who was
Alright,
it that-
long time and Mr. Good Time are both muted.
Fuck it,
Oh my
man.
god.
That'll solve all your problems. Just mute both of them. It'll
I can ask you.
I'm gonna
I can
report
ask
you
you.
to
Do you
the
like
admins.
jokes?
I'm gonna
I
report
got a
you to
good
the
joke for
admins.
all of you.
When you fight the champ, it's red panty day.
Listen,
You go
you're gonna
home
get-
to your wife
You're gonna
and
get
you
banned.
break up the
You're gonna
red,
get banned,
you
mate.
break up the red
You're gonna
panties.
get banned, man.
It's
You're gonna
red
get banned.
panty night when
Just
you
you
fight
wait.
in the
Just you
graveyard.
wait, we'll see
I'm
who's
banning
getting
you.
banned from this server.
Yeah,
It's a
I'll see
Christian
you soon.
server. It's a Christian
That's
server,
right.
and you can't use foul language on it.
Who the fuck is this guy? What
Do you want
the
to get
fuck
banned?
is this
I
guy?
will contact the owner
Who
right
the
now
fuck
and
are
get you
you?
banned from this Discord
Who
server
the
right
fuck
now.
are you?
Do you understand?
Shut up, you juicehead monkey. You're a juicehead weasel.
Listen
I'll
to
send you
me.
back to Labour.
From Scotland, alright?
You are a juicehead monkey.
Well, like, what even is your name? Like, I can't even pronounce it. It's that retarded. I don't even know who you are.
I'm the champ.
You're
I am the
irrelevant.
champ.
You're
You
irrelevant.
juicehead monkey.
Relevant.
The
It's a
two-time
Christian
champ
server.
goes
I've
and
told you
does
this
as he
multiple
wants.
times. Can we
The
have
two-time
peace and quiet,
champ
please?
goes and
Hey,
does
now.
what he wants.
Can I
You
talk to you
said
without
monkey.
you being stupid?
You juicehead weasel.
Muted.
What is
Who the
that?
fuck is this bitch? What the fuck is on you? You juice hair, you juice hair monkey. You're a juice hair weasel.
Is that your only insult? Just that word?
It's okay, I eat
Trap
dog.
confirmed.
Server.
Yeah,
Okay, do you eat dogs? Because I
I
eat
do.
dogs too.
I do.
Oh my god. High five.
Hey,
rude,
yo, high five.
Hey, so are you gonna subscribe to Lingmom? Like me?
No. Yo, tuna sub backs is what I'm gonna do on Big Yikes.
You
Nobody's
Americans.
American here. Nobody's American.
Oh, you sound American.
Oh. Fuck away from me, man. American. Who are you?
Bless you.
Bless you?
Mm-hmm.
He's dying. What do you mean? Bless you.
I am
Sorry,
a
you're
nun.
dying.
I can bless him.
Oh!
Amen.
What the fuck?
I can't.
What?
I've never spoke to a woman on a PC before.
Oh. Silence now, or I shall execute you.
The games
Walk
I
on
play
No, you.
don't have noobs in them.
Proceeding to the mind description.
Yo, what's going on, people? Thank you for watching this video. When I was going over it, I did find it funny myself. I was laughing. I think I'm going to record another one and then see what you guys think, because I did actually find this funny myself. And if you guys don't like it, then I might just do it myself and not even upload anything on it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment if you did actually find this funny. Thanks for watching.